many days videos for class 12, but there was a request for class 11 also. So I have thought of today uploading one video for class 11, and it is a very important concept of mathematics for both ISC and CBSE, that is limits and derivatives. But in this video I shall only focus on limits, its concept, and the method of solving the problems of limit. But before that, thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you for viewing my videos. I hope you have liked it. Today I have brought the video in a new dimension with a logo. Hope you like it. If not, do always mention and comment in the comment box. So without wasting much of our time and your time, obviously, let us move on to the concept of limit. Now, what is limits? For limits, to understand the concept of limits, we should understand a very important term, that is tends to. Tends to or approaches. The value of x approaches, we say, and we write it like this: x tends to any constant a. That means the value of the variable x is moving towards a number a. What is this variable associated with? This variable is associated with a function fx. So y. Now, if I take this function fx as x plus 1, very simple function. Now, if I say that the value of x approaches the number 2. Now, 2 can be approached x can approach 2 from two ways. That is, x can approach 2 from left and x can approach 2 from right. From left, in the sense, the values of x are less than 2. Less than 2 means 1.9, 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, 1.9999. Means if I increase the number of lines, it comes nearer and nearer to 2. And on the same side, 2 can be approached from the right side, from the values little more than 2, like 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001 or 2.00001. Now, the more the number of zeros after the decimal increases, the space between 2, or the gap between, or the difference between 2 and this number 2.01 or 2.001, the variable x decreases. And it is almost nearer to 2, but it is not exactly 2. This is the concept of tends to, x tends to a, or x approaches a. Now, if x is approaching 2, the related functional value is what? So, when x is 1.9, then fx is 1.9 plus 1, that is 2.9. When x is 1.99, then fx is 2.99. And similarly, when x is 1.999, it is 2.999. And when x is 1.49, then 2.9999. That means this shows that fx is nearer and nearer to 3. Isn't it? Next is, if I see that these values, when x is 2.01, then fx is 3.01. When x is 2.001, then fx is 3.001. Similarly, when I put x as 2.001, then fx is 3.001. So here also we see that the value of x is exactly, not exactly equal to 3, but more or less near 3, or approximately equal to 3. This number 3 which we have achieved by approaching the number x towards 2 is known as the limit of the function. The limit of the function, and we write it like this: limit of x tends to 2 f of x equal to limit x tends to 2. What is fx? That is x plus 1, and that is equal to 3. So this is the concept of limit. That is, when a variable or the independent variable tends towards a constant, then the function also tends or approaches towards a constant, and that constant is known as the limit of the function. Well, we should not confuse between the limit of a function and the functional value. Limit of the function is the function where the function approaches to, and functional value is directly we put the value and get the functional value. That is the value of the function, exact value of the function. Now, obviously you may be thinking that there are various types of function. It can be an exponential function, it can be a trigonometric function, it can be a polynomial, it can be a rational function, or whatever. But always it will not be viable for us to find out such values and then find out the functional value towards which, or the limiting value towards which the function is approaching. In that case, we adopt some working rule, or we adopt a working rule to understand the concept or to understand how to solve the problem. In the next session or in the next video, I shall upload how to solve a problem related to limits and its working rule. Hope you have understood, and bear with me for the, or wait with me till the next video I am uploading. Thank you.